I personally experienced a time in my life where I felt like I reached rock bottom. Like I didn't mean anything, I didn't have a purpose. During that time, I just didn't know what to do. I don't know, like I was lost. So I want to stand up for those people who are in those dark moments in their lives, because I want to encourage them that that part of your life, it won't last forever. You know, like I just want to remind everyone that no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nin again. And so for today's video, it's gonna be quite different because for the first time I am collaborating with a new brand, with a new local brand here in the Philippines, and they sent me a package. I'm so kilig because this arrived like 3 days ago, and my mom has this rule that we can't touch any deliveries for 3 days because the virus can stick to carton and paper. So you just have to follow her protocol. I haven't seen what's inside, so let's go. Let's unbox this box. Ooh. Oh, so cute! The packaging is so cute, and like this shade of pink is actually my favorite kind of pink because it's not really flashy and it's so girly and it's so me. So the name of the brand is Powerlash by Xyza. So they just messaged me in Instagram that they wanted to send me these products because they're launching their products this October 31. So it says, beauty for today's empowered Filipina. One thing that really caught my attention for this brand is because of their advocacy, I may say. They really have a stand. They want to empower women around the Philippines. It's really rare to find brands here in the Philippines who really advocate to something. So they're just not selling products, but they're also spreading positivity to the Filipinas. So let's go, let's open it together. So this is their advocacy, to stand up for who you are, to stand up for what you believe in, and to stand up for what you are capable of. That is beauty by Xyza. See guys, seeing the branding itself, it really says something. And to think they are just a starting brand here in the Philippines. But considering that, I really think that this brand is really thought of before they even launched it, or before they're even launching it. So it has my name on it. Hey Niña, thanks for joining a movement to build a world of confidently beautiful and empowered Filipinas. So love always, Veronica. So thank you, Veronica. So Veronica is the owner of this brand. I'm really honored that they chose me to be collaborating with them. So it's such an honor. Thank you so much, Veronica. So as I've read, it already said that their product is for the eyelashes. So yeah, let's see. So I really like it because they really encourage women to stand up for themselves and be confidently beautiful with a heart. The words back. Okay, so the first card inside is their vision mission. Be all things that we define as beauty without needing to be anyone else but you. Wow. Wow. This is really amazing. Because in our world today, you know, like with everything that's going on, there's just so much judgers all around. And like, I think that is really a big factor that inhibits people to speak out their mind because they're scared that they will be judged by people. Next, inside the box, empowered women here in the Philippines. Ay! Miriam Defensor Santiago. I know a lot of the youth really admire her for her strength and her bravery, just to really speak out her mind, even if a lot are already going against her. So yeah, these are really such empowered women. And then also inside the box, oh, stickers! So cute! More stickers! Wow, I'm really amazed. You wouldn't think that they are a starting brand because everything inside the box is really thought of. Hands down, Veronica. Then lastly, there's a card that says, put your picture here and then your name, and then now it's your turn. What will you stand for? Okay, this is the part where I wanna express myself. What do I wanna stand up for? You know, each and every one of us has a past, obviously, right? And some of us, unfortunately, have a bitter past. And it's sometimes very hard to move on if the wound is very deep already. Because I personally experienced a time in my life where I felt like I reached rock bottom. I felt like I was the most small creature here in this world. Like, I didn't mean anything. I didn't have a purpose. During that time, I just didn't know what to do. I was emotionally unstable. I don't know, like, I was lost. That's the word. I was lost. So lost. And good for me that I had a really good support system that helped me back on my feet. And so I want to stand up for those people who are in those dark moments in their lives, because I want to encourage them that that part of your life, it won't last forever. That part of your life will make you stronger. So if you are in that dark situation, the least you can do is to embrace the pain. That pain will help you rise up again. That pain will help you become a stronger person and a person who can change the world and spread positivity. Because you know, when you experience life at its lowest, you will appreciate life more when it's good. You know, like, I just wanna remind everyone that no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. So if you are in that situation where you feel like you are in the lowest point of your life, embrace the pain and let that pain help you rise up. Use that pain as a motivation. Do not diminish the pain, because that's part of life. And whatever situation you might be in, I just want to assure you that that won't last long. That won't last forever. So just find comfort in the fact that everything will be better. You just have to keep a positive attitude so that you reflect a positive life. Okay? So yeah, now, years after the time that I felt really lost with my life, it's so ironic because the place where I lost myself is also the place where I found myself. I'm currently working in that place where I felt like I want to give up on life. And you know, it's really amazing how life can turn out, guys. So just keep on believing, just keep on striving to be better. Your past will not define who you are, but your past will make you stronger. Don't let your faults, don't let your mistakes rule over you, because again, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. And I just want to relate this topic to a center that is really close to my heart. It's called the Center for Hope. This center houses physically abused female children, and they all experience a dark past, and I can't even imagine the pain that they had to go through. But every time we visit them, all I see is smiles, and I can't even comprehend how they can smile even with their dark past. Imagine their perpetrators are mostly people they know. Imagine the emotional crisis that they had to go through. And because of that, because of their smiles, it really tells me a message that in life, there is always hope. And I really admire them for their strength. Imagine they are children, but they have the strength to overcome their past. And so that is my point. I want to stand up for those people who have a bitter past, but still find the strength and courage to move on from it. Because again, your past doesn't define you. May it be bitter, may it be your fault or not, let that past mold you to be a strong and independent woman that you are meant to be. I've learned that it's always a win or a lesson. It's never a lose. So use your past as a motivation for a greater future. Because your past, again, I will say this over and over again, your past will not define your future. Only your present and your present mindset can make a good future for you. Whatever you're going through, just lay down all your problems to our Creator, to God, because He will never leave you alone. Okay, let's continue. Let's open it. Oh, so cute. This is how their product looks, and I'm really excited to see results of this product because I personally am not really blessed with long eyelashes, as you can see. Right, when we attend events and when we go on with our daily lives, we apply falsies. Some of us, like puppet lash extensions, but it just enhances our eyelashes artificially. That's how it looks. You just put it down as a base. So I'm just gonna make a separate video for that, and I'm gonna share my experience with you with Powerlash. So if you're interested about their product, feel free to check out their Instagram account. Also, before I forget, Xyza Philippines is having their 10K worth of skincare giveaway, and if you are interested about that, I will put the link down below on where you can register. So guys, go ahead, register. You won't lose anything if you join, but maybe you will gain something and win the giveaway. So go and join the giveaway. So again, it's a 10K worth of skincare products. So I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video. I'm very happy right now, and I'm also very happy that I was also able to express myself in this video. So yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Spread love, God bless, take care, and see you in my next video. Bye!